This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the PremiereTrade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Fed Reserve Vice President Donald Cohn said recent market turbulence may reduce credit to businesses and consumers, suggesting that he sees higher risks to economic growth than just a month ago. Cohn's remarks indicate the performance of credit markets since the October FOMC meeting has shaped his outlook for growth and inflation. Commerce reporting today that orders for durable goods declined 0.4% last month. That's a weaker showing than anticipated. Sales of existing homes fell even further in October, even as more homes came on the market, driving up the supply of homes to the highest level in 22 years. National Association of Realtors reports sales dropping 1.2% to a 4.97 million seasonally adjusted annualized pace in October. Freddie Mac's planned sale of $6 billion in special stock to help shore up its battered finances will be closely watched by investors, gauging the damage inflicted by the turmoil this year in the credit and the housing markets. American consumers jammed online shopping sites on Monday, the official start of the holiday season for e-tailers. Resulting in robust sales, consumers spent $733 million online on Monday. That is a 21% gain from the same period last year. Analysts had expected sales would exceed the $700 million figure. And according to the trade group Mortgage Bankers Association weekly application survey, mortgage application volume fell 4.3% during the week ending November 23rd. Finally, Al Hubbard, chairman of President Bush's National Economic Council, announced that he's leaving his post, joining a growing line of top presidential advisors exiting the White House as the Bush administration heads into its final year. In Forex news today, the dollar gained strength following the release of a consumer data report that showed the fourth consecutive month of slipping consumer confidence in Germany. That's Europe's largest economy. The euro hit an all-time high on Friday, the latest in a string of recent records triggered by worries about credit and instability in the U.S. A research group reports that consumer confidence in Germany, as I just said, fell for the fourth consecutive month. That's despite the end-of-the-year holiday season driven by fears surrounding the strong euro and high prices. That and other economic developments have led to speculation that the European Central Bank will leave rates unchanged at its next meeting, supporting the U.S. dollar. Dollar fell, though, versus the yen in Asia as short-term investors sold the greenback after a drop in Japanese stocks. U.S. dollar climbed in early trade above 109 yen for the first time since last week, but then dropped back just a bit. Japanese stocks' failure to build on Wall Street's overnight gains prompted players to sell the U.S. currency for yen to cut their risk. Selling by Japanese exporters also pushed the dollar a bit lower. Economic reports scheduled out tomorrow include the initial jobless claims report, the gross domestic product for the third quarter, and October new home sales. In earnings today, Brown Shoe Company's net income for the quarter rose less than 1% to $27 million. That's 61 cents a share. CBRL Group's net income for the quarter ended November 2nd fell to $13.9 million or 57 cents a share. And the Pep Boys, Manny Mo and Jack, said it cut approximately 550 jobs and closed 31 stores as part of a 5-year restructuring plan, while its third quarter loss widened partly on declining merchandise sales. Earnings reports scheduled out on Thursday include Dell, H.J. Heinz, Sears Holdings, American Woodmark, Del Monte Foods, Smithfield Foods, Michael Stores, Wet Seal, and the Bon-Ton Stores. Some of the stocks in the news today: Analog Devices reporting fourth quarter net income falling 29% to $97.9 million or 31 cents a share. Wells Fargo says that they will set aside $1.4 billion during the fourth quarter to cover higher losses on home equity loans caused by deterioration in the real estate market. And Target traded higher after Moody's Investors Service downgraded the retailer's long-term rating on debt. That is the Market Wrap on a Wednesday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.